Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to ensure your menstrual cup is inserted correctly. Fold the cup before inserting and aim toward your tailbone. Relax your pelvic muscles and breathe slowly to ease insertion and reduce discomfort. Once inside, rotate or twist slightly so the cup pops open and seals. Feel the base to ensure no folds remain and test by gently tugging. Use water-based lube. Many people make simple mistakes that cause leaks or discomfort, but they are easy to fix. Avoid inserting the cup too high and aim slightly back toward your tailbone. Try the C, punch down, or 7-fold to find what works best for your body. After placement, always run a finger around the base and feel for a full seal. Small adjustments usually solve most issues quickly and confidently. Removing and caring for your cup can be simple and hygienic with a routine. Sit or squat and relax, then pinch the base to release the seal before easing the cup out. Empty contents into the toilet, rinse with water, and wipe any residue if running water is limited. Sterilize between cycles using boiling or recommended methods, and store the cup dry in its pouch to keep it fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.